Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Yesterday, the maximum temperatures were between the 39 to 41 degrees centigrade over many parts of the West Rajasthan, Gujarat region, Vidarbha, Saurashtra and Kutch, East Rajasthan, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Telangana, Rayalaseema, and Chhattisgarh. And they were over some parts of Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and coastal Andhra Pradesh. Yesterday, severe heat wave to heat wave conditions observed over most parts of Jammu division, West Rajasthan, over some parts of Gujarat state, over isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. And heat wave conditions also observed over many pockets of Vidarbha and in isolated pockets over West Madhya Pradesh and interior parts of Odisha. And today's main highlight are number one, heat wave to severe heat wave conditions over Rajasthan, Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh and Odisha area. And another one is the low pressure area over the Bay of Bengal. If you look into the temperature, particularly maximum temperature, then there will not be any significant change in maximum temperature over most parts of northwest India, central India, west India, as well as the south peninsular India during next 48 hours. And after that, they will fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over the region. And in the remaining parts of the country, no significant change in maximum temperature during next 5 to 6 days. So because of those prevailing temperatures, heat wave to severe heat wave conditions very likely to prevail over some parts of West Rajasthan in isolated pockets over Gujarat state during next 2 days, and heat wave conditions in isolated pockets very likely to prevail over Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, interior Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana during next 2 days, and over Jammu division and Himachal Pradesh on 17th of March. If you look into the low pressure system over the Bay of Bengal, so the yesterday's low pressure area over the central parts of South Bay of Bengal moved east northeastwards and this entered at 8:30 hours IST of today, the 17th March, over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Equatorial Indian Ocean. This system will continue to move east northeastwards and will become a well-marked low pressure area over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining South Andaman Sea by 19th of March in the morning hours. And thereafter, this well-marked low pressure area likely to move nearly northward along and off Andaman and Nicobar Islands, intensify into a depression by the morning of 20th March and into a cyclonic storm on 21st of March. Thereafter, this cyclonic storm likely to move nearly north-northeastwards and reach near Bangladesh and North Myanmar coast around morning of 22nd of March. Because of this system and its movement across the Andaman and Nicobar Island, the forecast track and intensity of the system can be seen in this picture, which is given in the graphical form. So this is the forecast track of the system. It is reaching towards the North Myanmar and Bangladesh coast in the morning of 22nd across the Andaman and Nicobar Island area. And because of this system, there will be the heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Nicobar Island on 18th March, and light to moderate rainfall at most parts, with heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places, and extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places very likely over Andaman and Nicobar Islands on 19th and 20th of March. And after the 20th March, the system will move further north of the Andaman Nicobar Islands. So on the 21st of March, there will be only isolated heavy rainfall over the Andaman Islands. And because of this system, the sea conditions will be rough over Southeast Bay of Bengal adjoining South Andaman Sea on 17th and 18th of March. And sea condition will be rough to very rough over Andaman Sea adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal on 19th March. Sea condition will be very rough over the Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal on 20th March. And sea condition will become the high over the Andaman Sea, Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal on 21st, and over the East Central and adjoining Southeast and Northeast Bay of Bengal and northern parts of the Andaman Sea on 22nd of March. So because of this, these sea conditions, the fishermen are advised not to venture into Southeast Bay of Bengal during 17th to 21st of March, into the Andaman Sea and along of Andaman Nicobar Islands during 18th to 22nd of March, over East Central Bay of Bengal during 21st and 22nd of March, and into the Northeast Bay of Bengal on 22nd of March. This fisherman warning over the various parts of the Bay of Bengal can be seen in the graphical form. So, the area where the fishermen are advised not to venture are given in the shaded form, which can be seen in this picture. And if you look into the weather forecast for the other part of the country, so because of the fresh western disturbance, there will be the isolated to scattered rainfall or snowfall very likely over the western Himalayan region on which will start from the night of 18th until the 20th of March. And isolated thunderstorm and lightning activity are also possible over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, and Uttarakhand on 19th of March. In the South Peninsular India, light isolated rainfall is likely over Kerala and Tamil Nadu during next 5 days, over the coastal and south interior Karnataka during 18th to 20th of March, and over the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana on 20th and 21st of March. Except these areas, weather very likely to be mainly dry over remaining parts of the country, and there also will be the dust rising winds over West Rajasthan on 19th and 20th of March. This is the heat wave warning and heavy rainfall warning in the color coded graphical form. So we have given the yellow color warning for the Jammu Kashmir, Jammu division and Himachal Pradesh because of the heat wave. And we have also given the yellow color warning for the Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh and interior Odisha because of the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions over those areas on 17th and 18th of March. And we have also given the orange color warning for the Andaman and Nicobar Island on for the 18th of March, and we have given the red color warning for the Andaman and Nicobar Island on 19th and 20th of March because of the extremely heavy rainfall over Nicobar Island on 19th and over Andaman as well as the Nicobar Island on 20th March. So you can download the Mosam Damini and Meghdoodev for location specific lightning alert and agro advisory services. You can also download our Mosam uh, app. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter, and our Instagram page for more detailed weather information. Thank you.